So before we open Claude, I need three things from you, just three. And these are things you probably already think about, but the more clear we can get on these things, the better you can reach them. I want you to actually think about these things right now and drop them in the chat if you want feedback. So the first thing I want you to think about is your ideal customer, not your target market, one specific person. Maybe you give them a name. Maybe it's a 38-year-old woman who owns a hair salon in Houston and loses clients to competitors with more Google reviews. You want to get that specific. And the more specific your ideal customer, the more powerful your content operating system becomes. And then input two, which is your three content pillars. These are the three topics you know so well you could teach them in your sleep. So for us at the Small Biz Book Club, it's business books because we're learning right from the source, right? And the frameworks behind them. And then we have systems and automations with Leverage and Grow and AI tools for small business owners. So think about what are yours? Like, what are the topics that you can teach in your sleep that people don't necessarily know, but these are the things that people would be attracted to you for. We just have to get them from out of your brain and in front of them via content, right? And so maybe you drop those in the chat. And then input three is the channels, your channel mix. So looking at the core four, which channels are you covering? Instagram and Facebook for free content, DMs for cold outreach, SMS for warm outreach. Maybe some of you got the text message that just went out. That was a warm outreach approach. And then, so from there, think about that for your business and how you want to get in front of your potential engaged leads and tell me your primary platforms. I mean, if you don't want to tell me, you can write them down, right? And then you're going to paste them into the prompt that I'm going to provide in about 90 seconds. So here's the prompt. And this is the entire engine your content operating system is going to be built from, like this prompt. And before we move on, I want to be clear about what this actually builds. This is not a content plan. And this is not 30 days of content for your business. This is not a Google Doc. This is not a spreadsheet you forget about in 3 days. This is a real functioning app branded to your business that you and your team open every single week or every single day to know exactly what to post, where to post it, and how to make it without starting from scratch every time. So you get to fill in your things, your business name, your ideal customer, your three pillars, your brand colors. And that's it. And that's what we're building tonight. So you can watch me fill it in for our example. So it's pretty cool.